Yo, it's your boy Mike Lowy Trading Academy. I swear, man, if y'all not watching my videos, y'all are sleeping. Just take your ass, go back to your job, cause we've been on fire. All right, I don't even know how else to explain it. Let's start with the watch list. All right, watch list today. I say, spy, whatever, not going to touch it unless we get to this. Still, I just plan on not touching spy because it's just in a rising wedge still. Tesla 364 bounce up to 370 or above 377 to 382. Bro, look at this Tesla move. Oh, what? That was insane. So what did I say? What did I say? Above 377 to 382. What do we do, guys? Put your level there. Above 377, boom, to 382. Boom. I give you guys the safer levels, right? It's above mine. Extra confirmation, boom. But obviously, if you see this candle close, don't sell. Hold it until my next level. And if I don't put my next level because on the watch list, I usually don't, then guess what? We have this thing called the stock chat. You come in the stock chat, you say, hey, bro, Tesla just broke straight through that TP. What's the next TP? And I'll tell you that next TP is 388. And then you hold it to 388 and you would have hit. So, it's just comes down to how long you've been doing it, right? There's a lot of things that go into it. Time behind charts and your discipline. I'll teach you if you want to know. AMD above 158 long to 160 or potentially 162. So AMD above 158 long, all right, to 160, potentially 162. I'm holding. All right, I've been in since this morning. I've literally been in since here. I added equity position and contracts. So if you look at the 1 hour, look at that. Like if that's just such a turn on. I mean, I think we'll see what happens at 160, and then I'll decide for my options. But some of them I'm swinging. You could also swing, a couple weeks out and get these highs, right? So that's what I'm planning on. And right now it's just proving to be, and we're pushing. So gonna hold that hood. We got a down move, another rejection at this resistance. So that was actually a crazy move actually. My brother called out UNH. Let's get to UNH. That he actually bought perfect timing and sold perfect timing. So intraday, right? Oh, I caught Microsoft. Oh my gosh, I'm just over here talking. All right, jeez, Microsoft. Forgot I caught Microsoft. That's crazy. That's even crazier where it's at now. Um, so this was my entry. Let me show you how little this move was because of this right here. Entry. Take profit. So 508. So it was 505 to 508. So $3 move. And now it's at 510. But watch this. I'm gonna actually show you guys right now. So there's this thing called theta, and theta will eat away at your contracts, right? So I sold this. So I bought at 850 and I sold at 855 for 100%. So I made that was a 100% trade that I made, and that's why I took profits because 100% is crazy. So now let's pull back up Microsoft and let's see where the contract's at now, right? So it'll tell you. So I sold each contract for 200. And what did I buy that? Yeah, and I bought them all for 100. So I bought them all for 101 and sold them all for 200, which is crazy, right? So 200, okay, it's up another $100. So that would be nice. This was full TP, but like Yeah, no, this is not pretty. I had a feeling this would happen until, pre-market breaks, but that's just happening now. So maybe now you can take it all the way. Excuse me. Maybe now you can take it all the way to TP, which is all the way up there. But so Microsoft, I hit 100% on. This is the part where you just can't get greedy. Like, you just made 100% of your money. If you put in 500, you just got back 500. So awesome. And then my brother on UNH. Let's see. So yeah, see, added to Microsoft and Microsoft. UNH above 360. Okay, entering UNH 360. Man, this was like first thing in the morning. I entered that right here. Oh, he entered 360 calls. My bad. All right, then my brother today with the UNH trade was fire, so he called it above 360, 366, and 373, right? So which ended up going to 360. I think that's where he sold. Boom, boom. 100% here. A lot of UNH 127%. So yeah, so he made 127% wherever his entries and exits were, and then I made 100%. So you just had two chances to double whatever you invested today. To put it in layman terms, right? Like you put in 5, you get back 5. That's awesome. Where can you go where you give someone $20 and they give you back 40? You come to Lowy Trading Academy, and that's what the fuck happens, baby. Let's go. Uh, let's see. Let's go back to our little. What's happening? So all right, guys. That's all I got for today. I really just wanted to show you a breakdown of the trades. It's been a great week. We've really been hitting some great trades. Really taking it patient, waiting for the good setups, not just entering everything to enter everything. So if you want to learn more or get a one-on-one, I'm gonna have another testimonial. I just finished my last one-on-one today. I have one more. I have one more spot left for the year, and then I'm done. I'm done till next year. I only do 6 a year. So let me know if you want to learn. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. It's your boy Mike Lowy. We out.